Hey Vector, welcome to Pittsburgh. So how was your flight? Here we are, Vector, your new home. Let's take a look at this Kickstarter.
Kickstarter.
All right, so what I wrote is, well, listen, everyone's favorite robot is about to be reborn. Only this time he's built to last with endless possibilities. What do you think of that?
Wow.
For the open source development kit. Well, I'm not done yet. The open source development kit. Say thank you. Yes, we will definitely thank all of our fans for sure. We're going to do that for sure. Oh, thank you. And we're good. All right, man, let's go out and have some fun.
Every day's game day in Pittsburgh. City of champions, brother.
Woo! Woo! Number one!
You can see the U.S. Steel building that has UPMC on it. Over there's Pitt. Not too far away over there is CMU. Oh, man. So do you like it? Like the view?
Pittsburgh is beautiful.
City of Bridges. Three Rivers.
I'm hungry.
That's good. Thanks.
French fries.
So you're having a good time.
A crazy amount of fun.
Someone was hungry. Hey, Vector. Welcome to Pittsburgh.
Thank you.